So today we're going to go over the Bissel Pro Heat 2 floor cleaner or carpet cleaner, and we're going to see how it works out today for cleaning carpets. First we're going to go over the tank that has the storage tank for the actual water, and since we're in the top right here, this is actually the setup for the floor cleaning right here, this dial, and then you can switch it over to the tools, which actually controls your tools for cleaning upholstery and stuff. So anyways, the way you remove it is actually by easily lifting it up just like that. And there's a little lever in the back that actually removes the top of the tank just by pulling that little tab there and angling it up this way. And this part right here is your actual part where you fill the hot water. This portion here is where the dirty water actually falls into on the outer part. And let's see, so let's go ahead and put this back on. The way you put this back on is it's got a little tiny lip right here that goes underneath the tank, and then you just snap that back on, and that goes back on right here. And in the back we have the place where we add the water solution or soaps, and you just easily take this off just like that, and you pour it into there, and then you pour it back right there. We also have the way you actually activate the machine is by pushing this lever down, and it starts the brushes underneath right here to spin. And so we're going to go ahead and fill up the soap, and you can pretty much use anything that deals with carpet cleaning, soap solutions or anything like that. And of course, this usually people will want to do a 50-50, but if you have really bad carpets, I usually just put the actual soap in there. And I believe this has a fill line, and this is actually that says the formula fill line is about right here. I guess if you're using the actual full capacity of the tank of the unit, so we'll just go ahead and fill it up all the way to the fill line. Back on there. That's ready to go there. Now we're going to actually fill the water tank up also. Take this portion off by clipping that little gray tab there. And this is where we're actually going to be filling up the hot water in here. So right now we're waiting for that hot water. So this is the area we're actually going to be covering. As you can see how dirty this is compared to underneath the rug. So we're going to be cleaning all this area right here with the Bissel, and let's give it a whirl. So we're going to fill up this plastic inner tank that's in the Bissel container. I usually just fill it up to where it's pretty full. About right there. And then we snap this back on. Remember, there's a little lip that goes underneath right here. put your little clamp back on. I'm going to go back to the floor cleaning setting. That just easily goes just like that, as you saw. There's no clipping or anything like that, it just falls right into place. Now that we have this retracted back, there's a couple of settings up here that has a water rinse, light clean, normal clean, and heavy traffic. We're gonna change it over to heavy traffic. And usually this setting down here is actually located up here in the different models that comes with. Now as I'm gonna turn on the power button up here, you're gonna see the brushes spinning. So as I turn it on, I'm gonna push this down here, and as it tilts, you'll see the brushes start to spin. And as soon as I push this lever here by the handle, that's going to actually release the fluids that are down in the tank where it's got the cleaning formula or solution. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. Make sure your heat's on.